Hello guys, in today's video we're diving into the Ulefone Armor X32 Pro 5G, the latest addition to the rugged X series lineup, designed to deliver maximum durability, solid performance and full functionality. This device packs it all into a compact frame with 5.65-inch display and the best of all, at a budget-friendly price. It grabs attention with its bold yet redefined design, a rugged body wrapped in a textured rubber, and construction that screams durability. Whether it drops pressure or harsh outdoor environments, this phone is built to handle it. So without further delay, let's jump into our full review of the Ulefone Armor X32 Pro and see if it truly lives up to the hype. Along with our phone, we also got this excellent armor protective case. This original Ulefone case is intended for this Armor X32 series of smartphones and it's sold separately, and we will look at it a little later. Now, the smartphone is packed in the distinctive Armor series box, featuring a bold yellow color and metallic details that represent durability and strength. In addition to the smartphone itself, we find a lot of things in the box, a lot of paperwork including this Armor X32 Pro user manual written in many different languages, multifunctional instructions and a bunch of other instructions for this phone. We can also find an additional screen protector here, which is a tempered glass, even though the smartphone has a factory installed screen protector out of the box. There is also a hand strap for secure phone handling, USB Type-C charging cable, and finally, of course, the charger. Now it's time to switch to our Armor X32 Pro. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions while still delivering impressive features for a very affordable price, and you can see it for yourself if you visit Ulefone official sales links below this video. The Ulefone Armor X32 Pro boasts a classic rugged design, full in black, made of durable polycarbonate and a shock-absorbing TPU. The entire phone is made of a non-slip texture and stands out not only for its strength but also for its redefined and simple yet modern aesthetics. And its dimensions are also quite compact compared to the most of today's rugged smartphones. On the back, it stands out with this octagonal camera model design which combines functionality with aesthetics. Now let's look at the external features of this phone. On the right side, in the black metal frame, we have full metal buttons. First in the line is a power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. Right below, we can see these volume buttons. On the left side, under the waterproof seal, there is a slot for SIM cards with even 3 free slots. 2 for Nano 5G SIM cards at the same time as a place for TF card of up to 2 TB. A little lower we can see this perforated orange bordered button, which can be customized to perform various functions with phone or compatible applications such as the Zello PTT walkie-talkie function. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press, so this one button has 3 different functions according to your wishes. Below we can see the USB Type-C charging port. Around it we find the microphone hole and the grills for a very loud speaker, all of course waterproof. At the very top, Armor X32 Pro surprises us with the 5.5mm headphone jack port, as well as the infrared sensor. As with the most models in the Armor series, the Armor X32 Pro can function as a universal remote control in your home, allowing you to manage devices such as television, air conditioners and the Hi-Fi stereo system through the app on the phone. It can control any device with the infrared connectivity, making it highly versatile. This feature is extremely practical and significantly enhances the phone's utility value. So from the front there is a compact 5.65-inch all-screen display with 720 by 1440 pixels with HD resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio. It is a nice classic display without a notch or camera hole in the screen, just a real classic display. Above it in the frame there is a 60 megapixel front camera, has a face unlock function, record videos in the full HD resolution, and will serve you well in occasional selfies and video calls. In addition, the display has a refresh rate of 90 Hz, which ensures a smooth experience when scrolling and playing games. With the maximum brightness of 600 nits in high brightness mode, it is easily readable outdoors. It also comes with the functions of working in gloves. For additional protection, the display is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which provides excellent resistance to scratches and impacts, which is essential for a rugged phone like this. The display quality of the Armor X32 Pro is not particularly impressive on paper, but it does its job solidly, providing a pleasant experience for enjoying multimedia content, games and photos. The vibrant screen and acceptable black value contribute to a commendable contrast ratio, enhancing color representation on the screen. Colors remains mostly accurate, clean and sharp enough for a pleasant viewing of the content on the screen. For users with moderate expectations, this screen is more than capable for daily web browsing and social media use, and if you need all-day YouTube video viewing, you can even do that without problems due to the long-lasting battery. From the back, the Ulefone Armor X32 Pro stands out with its octagonal camera module design, which combines functionality with aesthetics. This design is not only visually attractive, but also allows practical placement of a triple camera system and additional sensors within a compact space. At the center of the model is a 64 megapixel main camera with an aperture of 1.9, which provides a really excellent performance in different light conditions. Just below the main camera is a 25 megapixel night camera with infrared lights, enable recording in low or no light conditions. There is also a 2 megapixel macro camera for detailed close-up shots. The smartphone also supports a maximum 2K video recording at 30 fps with electronic stabilization. In addition to the cameras, the model includes LED flash and two integrated lights placed for optimal lighting when shooting at night. Now, to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out few samples that we took using this Armor X32 Pro camera, so let's take a look. The heart of the Armor X32 Pro is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, a modern 8-core chipset made in energy-efficient 6nm process. It combines two powerful Cortex A76 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz for fast response and data processing, and a 6th energy-saving Cortex A55 cores, ideal for everyday tasks and background process. Paired with the 8GB of RAM, the phone offers impeccable multitasking capabilities, whether you are running Google Chrome with multiple tabs open, listening to music via Spotify, using navigation and recording videos along the way. The device doesn't slow down. Additionally, there is the option to expand the RAM with up to 16GB via the virtual RAM, thanks to the intelligent allocation of the space from the internal memory, which is especially noticeable with more demanding applications. The 256GB of UFS 2.2 internal memory not only provides a large storage space, but also ensures high read and write speeds, which speeds up application loading, data transfer, and general system responsiveness. Thanks to the Mali G57 MC2 GPU, the Armor X32 Pro copes surprisingly well with the popular mobile games such as PUBG Mobile. Asphalt 9 run on medium graphic settings with a very solid performance. Although it is not a gaming phone by definition, due to its optimization and powerful chipset, it provides a smooth and stable gaming seasons without major heating. Ulefone Armor X32 Pro comes with a pre-installed Android 14, the latest and specially optimized version of the system for rugged devices. The software is clean and free of bloatware, which brings better performance and more free space. Android 14 brings advanced privacy settings, detailed permission control, and regular security patches. The system uses smart algorithms for save energy, improve battery autonomy, and there is also improved accessibility options and more precise voice navigation. Multitasking is efficient thanks to the better support for split screens and floating windows, while connectivity keeps up with the times. 5G and Wi-Fi Direct standards are supported. The device also offers OTA updates, so users automatically get the new features and security upgrades. Combined with the powerful hardware, this optimized Android 14 makes the Armor X32 Pro extremely reliable tool for field work and everyday tasks. With a 5500 mAh battery, the Armor X32 Pro easily lasts 2 to 3 days of average use. Charging takes place via 18-watt USB charger, and charging to 100% takes about 2 hours. Let's not forget how Armor X32 Pro ensures durability standards, IP68 and IP69K ratings, waterproofness and dust protection, MIL-STD 810H military-grade toughness standard of drop resistance of even 2 meters. Ulefone behaves like a warrior under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough handling works to provide extra strength and the sturdy features, better waterproof and dust-resistant performance. Now let's take a closer look at the accessory that came with our phone. It's really nothing that it's sold separately, but the good news is it's very affordable and definitely add the value to the overall experience. This original multifunctional protective case is compatible with the Armor X32 series phones with anti-shock absorbent TPU corners and a rigid plastic body. This protective case provides additional protection from drops, scratches and shocks. Precise cutouts enable easy access to all buttons on the phone, ports and the camera, and a perfect match with our Armor X32 Pro. It comes with a 180 degrees rotatable back clip to bring a comfortable viewing angle, can be clipped to the belt for portability, or you can add a secure carabiner attachment for easy ease of use. This multifunctional case is sold separately from the phone, and I would definitely recommend it for those of you who work on higher altitudes and on demanding terrains to keep your smartphone safe as long as possible. In summary, the Ulefone Armor X32 Pro 5G is a standout option for individuals who lead active lifestyles or require a durable device for challenging environments. Its rugged constructions with military-grade toughness ensures reliability in tough conditions. Noteworthy features include compact dimensions, 5G connectivity, and solid processor, and very good cameras. In short, it's robust all-rounder for everyday as well extreme conditions. If you are interested in this phone, make sure to check out the official sales links provided below this video. Take advantage of the current promotional pricing before it's too late, as quantities are limited. Don't miss out the opportunity to secure a Ulefone Armor X32 Pro rugged phone today. That wraps up this review. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video reviews coming your way soon. Bye.